Oh, there you are, Lila. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Hey, Polly. I finished a brand new design for my hat range, so thought I'd treat myself to a chill out by the pool.
Sounds good. Want to join me in the pool?
I'm fine for now. Thanks, Paul.
How about going in the floaties?
I just want to chill.
There's nothing more relaxing than floating in the pool, Lila.
Have fun!
Boo!
Polly, you scared me!
Sorry. Want to have a go in the waterfall? You must need to cool down. You've been lying there for ages.
I'm just super exhausted after working so hard on my new design. You enjoy it, though.
Okay, but it would be so much more fun if you joined me. All right, Lila. You won't be able to resist this one. How about a dip in the luxurious hot tub?
I'd love to, but I'm just so comfy where I am.
Lila, I know you're nervous about swimming, but there's really no need to be. I'm right here, and will make sure nothing happens to you.
It's just that I haven't swam for a while. I I don't know if I'm still good at it.
I know it can be scary getting over fears, but let's take it one step at a time. I know you'll love it once you get used to it.
I can always count on you to help me, Polly.
In that case, let's grab a frozen yogurt and go on the floaties. How are you feeling, Lila?
Still a little nervous, but this frozen yogurt sure makes things better.
I think you've mastered the floaty. Now it's time for the hot tub.
I've gotta say, I never thought I could find anything more relaxing than the sun lounger, but this is dreamy.
I know! I'm almost falling asleep.
Oh no, we can't have that. We need to have a go in the wave pool next.
Lila, I'm so tired. These waves are taking it out of me. I'm going to have a rest at the tiki bar. Want to join me?
You go ahead. I think I'll practice my swimming some more. Ooh! This waterfall is super refreshing!
Glad you like it.
Woohoo! Oops. Sorry, Polly. I guess I'm over my fear of water now.
That was incredible! Best film ever! I love when they are in the cosmic desert and don't know when the meteorite will arrive. And when Rocco brings back the antidote from the planet Zeltor and saves the human race.
I wish we could go back and watch it again. It's a shame there are no more tickets for the next 2 weeks.
Oh, hey, Nicolas. How's it going?
Great, thanks. Enjoying this tasty hot dog. Have you?
We've just seen the new movie from the Y Girls. It is awesome!
Yeah, right? I watched it a couple of days ago. I love all their visual effects. One day, I'll be able to film something similar for my vlog.
Nicolas, I have an idea that could let us watch the movie again without going to the cinema.
How?
Come closer and I'll tell you all the details.
Yes!
Give that back! It belongs to Earth!
This will look amazing for the spaceship scene.
Did you know that the movie only took 145 days to film? This blog explains lots of the behind-the-scenes stories.
Hey, how are the new Y Girls? Are you ready to start making our movie?
Yay! I was born ready.
I love that we're doing this. It'll be so much fun.
Let's do it. Okay, Captain Rocco, let's go one more time on that line.
You're right. I could be more convincing on that. I'll try again.
And action.
Polly, do you think I need a retouch on my stage makeup?
Lila, you look great.
Right, Lila. Put yourself into the character. You've been followed by…
Yes. The aliens are after me and the meteorite will collide any minute. I think I've got it now.
Great! And action! That was great, Polly! I think we got all the main scenes from the film.
Woohoo!
It will now take me a few days to edit all the footage, but I guess we could meet next week for the premiere.
Yes, please! I can't wait to watch how we all look in it!
6 p.m. next Saturday, my place. I'll be there!
Me too!
Welcome, everyone, to the Tiny Y Girls premiere movie!
Yeah!
I'm so excited!
I love the music already!
Shh! The movie has started already, girls!
Thanks for letting me use your skate park, Polly. With my sick tricks, I'm sure to win the Littleton skate-off next week.
No problem, Nicholas, but I wouldn't get your hopes up. That trophy is coming home with me. It's going to look so awesome on my shelf.
Polly, the trophy goes to the best skater in Littleton, not the second best.
Exactly. That's why I'm gonna win it.
Nuh-uh.
Yaha! Do you two mind? Some of us are trying to finish their homework over here. Shani, who's the better skater? Me or Nicholas? I don't know. You're both pretty awesome. What? I'm 1,000,000 times better than he is.
1,000,000 times worse, maybe.
Quiet! Look, how about I set you some skating challenges? Whoever wins the most is awarded the title of the best skater in Littleton. Great idea, Shani. Polly, the best skater in Littleton. It's got a nice ring to it. Up for the challenge, Nicholas?
Oh, it's on, all right.
Okay, the first point goes to whoever can retrieve the pearl from the aquarium and bring it back. Easy peasy. On your marks, get set, go! Phew, that should keep them busy for at least a little while.
Where is it?
Gotcha! Hi, Lila. Oh, hey, Shani. Where's Polly and Nicholas? Well, they were arguing over who was the best skater, so I'm setting them challenges to decide. I got it!
Yeah, how was I supposed to know the pearl was inside that shell?
Oh, hey, Lila. You're here just in time. I'm about to officially be crowned the best skater in Littleton.
We'll see. There's still more challenges, right, Shani?
I've got a challenge for you, but you'll have to shrink Shani and I down first. Tiny power! This time, you need to go and find us each a tasty burrito. Whoever brings it back first is the winner. You'll find Shani and I in the flamingo floaty when you're done.
All right, one super tasty burrito coming up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Too slow, Polly.
It's not over yet!
Did anyone order a burrito?
Finally! We were getting so hungry. I mean, excited to see who would win. He got lucky, that's all. Okay, the next point goes to the skater that can bring back the tastiest frozen yogurt. Yeah, make that 2. 3, 2, 1, go! This place makes the best frozen yogurt ever.
Shame. I'm sure yours will have melted by the time you get back.
We're back! Hey, where did all those burritos go?
Well, we got the dessert, but I think that last one was a draw. Polly is super fast.
You were pretty speedy too, Nicholas. No, more food. Well, suit yourselves. I guess that means more for the 2 best skaters in Littleton then. Thanks for coming to my sleepover, guys. Our pleasure, Polly. But you could have told us we'd be sleeping outside. My outfit is going to get ruined. Yeah, plus it's super creepy out here. Maybe we should go back and sleep in your room? No way! What could be better than sleeping out under the stars? Sleeping in a warm room in a real bed?
Okay, how about we make a deal? You each have to tell me a spooky story, and if either of you can scare me, we can go back to my room. Deal. I'll go first. This terrifying tale will scare your socks off. I call this story Dance Dress Disaster. It was the day of the school dance, and I, of course, had spent months planning the perfect outfit. A shockingly stylish, peacock-inspired dress with a matching bow, of course. I'd been working on a new stitching technique for weeks and had finally perfected it just in time to hem my dream dress. I was finishing up the last stitch on my dress when I suddenly realized that I hadn't added my new fancy stitch to the bow yet. But after the third stitch on the bow, disaster struck. The machine was out of thread. And as I searched for another reel, I heard the most terrifying noise known to mankind. What happened? The machine whirred out of control and started eating through the bow. What did it eat next? What? Oh, nothing. The material blocked it and it stopped. Well, that was anticlimactic. What do you mean? I had to go to the dance Pollys. What was that? Nothing. I'm sure it was just the wind again. Okay, Shani, it's your turn. And make sure it's a good one. This place is starting to give me the creeps. Okay, I hope you're both prepared to be petrified. My spooky story is called Super Swift Sailing. I was on the beach doing some very important research on barnacles. I wasn't finding many on the shore, so I thought I could collect better samples if I went out in the boat. I carefully climbed aboard and turned the engine on. What I didn't realize is that Polly had left the boat in race mode. The boat set off at full speed, zooming round and round and around. It was a full minute of high-speed terror before I could reach the control panel and switch it off. Shani, that wasn't scary either. It sounded super fun. For you, maybe. All that commotion scared the barnacles away. Well, I guess we're sleeping out here all night after all. Why don't you try and scare us with a spooky story, Polly? I don't have a spooky story. I'm not scared of anything. You must be scared of something. Everyone is. I know. What about Griselle Grande? Oh, you're right. I'd almost forgotten about her. Okay, this story's called Griselle Almost Grabs. One evening, I was working on some cool skateboard designs when I heard Griselle Grande talking to my parents downstairs. She told them she had a present for me and that she wanted to give it to me in person. All of a sudden, I heard her footsteps coming up the stairs and towards my door. I was so scared, I couldn't move a muscle. Slowly, my bedroom door began to creak open. Eek! What did you do? Well, luckily, I came to my senses and managed to shrink myself down just in time. Wow, I have to admit, that does sound super scary. Imagine if Griselle Grande had stolen the locket. All of the outfits I made would be lost forever. Yeah, and what about my research at the aquarium? I am so close to completing my dolphin language translator. Ah! Okay, I'm pretty sure that isn't the wind. What if it's some kind of monster? I told you we should have gone back to your room. Lila, monsters aren't real. Oh, I think. I'll go and check it out. Maybe it's just a cute squirrel or something? Polly, is everything okay? Oh no, the monster has got Polly! We're doomed! It's okay, guys. Look! It was just Peaches all along. She must have got lost in the bushes. Peaches! We thought you were a monster. Well, at least Peaches likes sleeping outside. Yeah, she can be our guard dog in case Grizel Grande tries to creep up on us.
Aw, I can't believe school starts tomorrow.
Summer went by so fast. But we still have today for the most amazing last day of summer ever.
I guess you're right.
Yes! One more day for splashing in the pool.
Or sunbathing at the beach.
Or snowboarding down the slopes.
Wait, we can't do all of that in just one day. We wouldn't have time to enjoy any of it properly. How are we going to decide what to do?
Aha! I've got it! I present to you my incredible, magical, amazing, awesome, and fascinating... Yes? Decision Maker Wheel!
I thought you'd invented a machine to extend the hours of the day or something.
Well, I'll take note on that. But for today, I thought we could spin the wheel and leave what we do on our last day of vacation up to chance. That sounds fair. Great idea, Shani. I'll pick blue.
Yellow for me, please.
Then that leaves red for me.
Come on, go yellow! Blue.
Red! The wheel chose red! We're going to have fun in the snow. Okay, if this is what the wheel wants. Tiny power! Hurry up, Polly. Those snowboards won't ride themselves. Wait up!
Achoo! Oopsie, pardon me. I think I might be getting a bit cold with all of this snow around.
I'm getting chilly too, and it's getting late. Aw, but I don't want this day to end. I know how we could end this perfect day.
Great idea, Polly!
The perfect end to the perfect day. Almost perfect. Let's make hot cocoa. Yeah!